In October 2022, the world's first onshore open fully automated container terminal landed in Ritzau Port, Shandong Port. Different from the automated terminals in most ports, it is the world's first open fully automated container terminal along the shore. With the application of Beidou 5G technology, it has launched 6 homemade and industry-leading scientific and technological achievements, including the self-developed and integrated innovative unmanned truck dispatching system, and has contributed to the global port and shipping industry the Chinese scheme for the intelligent transformation of traditional container terminals. It leads the construction of fully automatic terminals into a new era of low-cost, quick effect, replicability and easy promotion.